simple complex compound being as and so, due to as and so. Being clever, she solved the problem easily. Then for being you are using as under complex. As she was clever, இது வந்து நீங்கள் எழுதணும். As she was clever, why was இங்கே past tense, solved வந்து past tense, so you are using clever. She was clever and so she solved the problem easily. This is coordinating conjunction. Due to heavy rain, the meeting was postponed. So for due to you are using as. So as it rained, for past tense, as it rained heavily. Heavy அப்படிங்கிறது heavily அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். இங்கே past tense இருக்கிறதுனால you are using rained. It rained heavily and so the meeting was postponed.